Here we are at her haven, the new home. See how nice it is? Nice big house.
Dần dần
Okay, go in, go in. Go. Ooh, big house, huh? Yeah. And here they are the next morning. They are afraid to come out. They're not sure where they're at, but slowly, one by one, they're getting used to the new home. Uma ponja lo nyang polo che nu no ya nu ti a na. Je po je mon ji chi pa ta sha po yo tlan chi na je po ko ta ko jo lo ha. Come on, baby. You can come out. All of you can come out. Don't be afraid. This is your home. Thì nó ya các ồ bố mình xin trai nhiều vậy bố chỉ cho cả lời chọn nhiều đó thì nó ya bố nhập vào first time cái life freedom from out of ilum box mình nghĩ ấy thì bố chân chân trái tàu luôn. Yes, you can see there's a daddy rooster here. This rooster, we let it stay here because the other roosters from the other coop were kicking him and his brain, it's almost like damaged. So we're keeping him separate from the others. Looks like they're all getting along just fine. We also let him have a mama hen in here so that he's not so lonely with all these baby chickens. Anyway, this is how they are doing it in their new home. Please follow me for updates. Thank you.